Okay, I'm going to run you guys through a journal entry and how we'd use this, and one that I did first personally and found out myself recently. So if we go to the plus, which is in the middle, and for me it was milk. Okay, and I felt nasally after milk. So I had a milkshake late at night, a bit of cacao, a bit of honey. Okay, so I would write, felt nasally and just couldn't breathe, couldn't breathe as well. So couldn't breathe as well. And then you'd go to a sick reaction if you want to bring up a gritty. So that's on the far right. You go sick. And then you can either type in a recipe or the ingredients. For me, it was just a hot chocolate. So the ingredients were milk and honey and cacao. I know I'm fine with honey and cacao because I've done it a heap. So I'm not going to write them in. So I know it was the milk. Okay. And then I can either write public or private if I want everyone to see it or if I want myself to see it. So let's just say I want myself to see this and I don't want anyone to know. I'll tap private and done. I tap the arrow on the top right, and now I've added that to my journal entry. And if I can go to my own database here, I can go to food reactions, and milk is at the top because I've put it in there twice now. Okay, so you start to get a pattern. And if you've had this for a year and you've had, like, say you bloated off savory mince and has onions, carrots, celery, you chuck them all in there. And then the next time you bloat, if onions or in that those ingredients are in that again, you'll start to see whatever you react to the most will be at the top. So it's pretty cool. It's like using tech for food journals, because we all needed a food journal before, but I didn't keep it with me, right? So this is where I can do it for you. So I think for people that are really struggling to find out what's reacting to their gut and have long-term issues, this is going to be great for you.